Hi, I'm John. Welcome to the farm. Today I'm going to be forming up a 16-foot by 16-foot lean-to for the existing barn that I have here. And I'm going to be getting an animal. I'm not sure which. If you want to put in the comments what kind of animal you would like to see me get. I was thinking maybe pigs, something like that, for the fall. So just leave it in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe, and let's get started here. All right, what I'm doing is I squared everything up, roughly 142 inches on an X, each X, and then 16 feet all the way around. So now that I'm squared up, I can begin to cut my boards. The one thing you want to make sure though is when you get boards from a store, they're always a little bit longer. So I got 16-foot boards, but they're going to be a little bit more than 16 foot. They're going to be like 16 foot, a half inch. So I want to make sure my boards aren't too long when I'm putting them in. So that's some of them. See, it's about 16 inches and 3/4. So you want to make this 16 foot. Otherwise, when you're starting off wrong, it's going to stay wrong. All right, so what you can see here is I got a foot all the way around, but I have some gaps underneath the form because I leveled it all the way around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my loader here and fill all that in, and then I'll be ready for concrete. All right, so we got my string line here, and I put my string line all the way down, all the way around, make sure that my walls were, my pad here is straight. Okay, and then it's all depinned in, and once I fill it in all around here in the gaps, it'll be ready for concrete. Okay. Hi, pup. put all this stone against this form, and that'll stop it from pushing. So my form will stay nice and straight. So what do you think? What kind of animal should I get for in here? Leave what you think down below in the comments. Well, I'll tell you what, it's sure nice having a machine. For years and years, I never had nothing to help. For that machine is something, I'll tell you what. Supposed to be in the 50s today. Last couple of days was real windy, about 30s. Terrible to work in, but today is beautiful. A little bit of wind, not too much, but just sunny. You can feel that March sun. Hey, it's nice. Right, Black? So it looks like this is what I'm gonna get done today. Got some concrete poured here for the footer. So this will be part 1. So I hope you stay tuned. Within the next few days, I'm gonna start framing this up and everything, and we'll see what we get. So this will be part 1, and I hope you come back for another one. Remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.